guys, this is Donna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I have a plan with me weekly in my classic dashboard for the week of March the 22nd through the 28th. I hope that you're excited about today's spread. I'm doing it in all yellows in honor of my grandbaby because she absolutely loves the color yellow. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Okay guys, as per usual, super quick little slip. Hello. I've re-pulled my stickers, so let's just get started, shall we? I'm going to start at the bottom on the date page, and we're going to start right here. And this says Fun Weekend Getaway, and she has a cheer competition. So this is sort of in honor of her. And I love these butterflies. They are so pretty. I've seen all these yellow stickers and I'm like, I have to have them. Now what I did here, you know, I'm the queen of let's put all these flowers together and make a flower garden. And then be challenged to put them down on your spreader after you've stuck them on wax paper for 2 or 3 days. Yeah, that always works. And I've already put one of these down wrong, but that's okay. Let's see if we can get this bad boy pulled up without tearing it up. We'll come back to that. All right. I want to put this right all right, work with me here. Come on. Here. My thought process here was to try to make it look like the butterfly was getting to these florals, okay? That's where I was going with that whole grouping. Then we're going to come back to our little Shine Bright. We'll just put that right there. And then this little sticker says, make things happen. And I'm doing that because I want them to win. So, make things happen. It's going to go right there. Okay, the edge is driving me crazy. There we go. Very good. All right. Now we're going to go here, and I hope that that's going to work. Let's see. You know how everybody always says, oh, it looks good on paper? Yeah, that's not just talking about somebody's resume. Sometimes the stuff looks really good on paper, and then when you go to put it on here, it's like, okay, what was I thinking? Which, and I'm the queen of let's rip the butterflies in half today. Like, they're just so delicate. And I am off on, now let's try to put our little butterfly back together so we don't have to have a funeral here. There we go. Okay. And here I want to put this, and I'm going to have to flip this upside down because I want it to be right on the very, very edge. So there'll be minimal punching. So this is where I put all my mood tracking. So what I did was I planned to be in a good mood. So I'm just going to nest these little, because usually even if I have like a yuck day, hey, it ends at 4:30, so I really don't care. I have so much in my life to be thankful and happy for, and I'm so blessed that I don't even care. Now, what was I thinking? I know I have something to put right there, and I just blocked it all right off. Sometimes I just don't know. If you can hear that, that's my heater, and it's very, very loud. All right, I love the lemons, and this is out of the, Live Love Posh. So if you all have not checked out her sticker books, I highly recommend that you do. Prepare yourself to be broke after you do, because you're going to want all the books, which, by the way, right now, I must apologize in advance. They're all sold out because she just did a re-release. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm sorry in advance. I'm just going to lay this down right there. And we're going to come over here and we're going to cut off the edge. Apologize that my scissors weren't cleaned off. I know that drives some people a little batty. I'm one of them. Okay. Now, I mean, if you wanted to, I don't think there's enough of that I would even bother, because I just don't think you're going to see enough of the pattern for you even to be able to tell what it is. So I'm not going to bother with that. And then, of course, Coffee Monday. And I have discovered iced caramel coffee from McDonald's, and all I can say is game on. It is fabulous. Like, oh my goodness, like I can't even get enough. If I could line something up today, it'd be a miracle. Okay, now let's do this page. And I think I'm going to start here, I hope. Okay. I have a lot of layering here. Lot of layering. Like, I put a lot of this together because I was trying to fill in spaces. So bear with me. I apologize in advance for the crinkling of the paper. Okay? But I tried to make a masterpiece, and really need this to all come up in one piece, because if it doesn't, it's going to be awful. Oh, the planner gods have smiled upon me. And what I did here was I took a whole bunch of the leaves. I'll get this one here straight. On this one. And I cut a lot of things out, because I don't like, and I've shared this with you, it's not a mystery, that I do not like the white edging on these. As a matter of fact, I hate the white edging on these, because it's a pain in the butt when you're making a spread. And I knew that was going to be a little bit crooked, but I can't help it. I couldn't get it on there exactly right. But when you have that white edging like that, you have to go through and sort of trim some off on some of your spreads. And I don't like that extra step. Like, there's enough steps. So, but what I did here is, like, I put this under this layer here. And then here is an independent leaf. And then here is a bunch of leaves that I cut out and put up through here. So there's, like, here's this. There's multiple things going on there, is what I'm saying. So, and I just, it's a lot of work, is all I'm saying. And I wanted it to be really pretty, so I wanted to make it fuller. And then I'm going to take another one of these and put it here first. So when you're going to place some of these down, sometimes it can be a bit challenging. And we're just going to let that be just like that. I'm not bringing it back up. And I love this yellow sticker. It's so pretty. Shine your light. Love it. And then I'm going to try to take the butterfly and not murder him completely and tear him all to pieces. I think I've torn about every butterfly that I've picked up. They're just so, what I call, fragile. Let me put this down right. Okay, so let me put this down. And I really like this black sticker because to me it was mimicking the florals. So we're going to put that right, yeah. Because it's got this same design like here on these florals, and then of course the dandelion from the pressed florals book are such a pretty vibrant yellow that I just thought, oh my goodness, these are perfect. And then up here, I'm going to wait on the butterfly for a second. I'm going to put this here. And then I'm going to take my little there. Okay, we're almost there. Now, I'm going to put, okay, so I'm going to take this, I am in love with this. And I'm not big on yellow, but this to me is so pretty and so bright and just makes me happy. Like yellow is a happy color, in my opinion. Okay, we're going to put that right there. With the butterfly, right? Well, let me put this down first. Like I said, when you go to line this stuff like that, it feels so different than when you're pulling it for your spread and putting it on wax paper. I know there was some kind of way that I had this to where you wouldn't see those boxes right there. It might have just been just like that. Then we're going to spread some foil. And we're going to run some errands. Oh, I just think this turned out so stinking cute. All right, now we have the unmurdered butterfly that I need to put somewhere, and I think she's going right. I want it to be on my S. She may end up murdered before it's over with. I'm trying not to. There we go. Now she's on the L. There we go. Good enough. All right. So now let's mash down our stickers. I'm going to do some quick trimming. Okay. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. Like, I really do like it. All right, guys. This is, I made this spread for my grandbaby, Abigail, because she absolutely loves the color yellow. And this is in honor of her last, second to the last cheer competition. And I just thought she would really like it, and maybe it would bring her a little bit of, you know, a little bit of love and luck her way. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will give me a big thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this content, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel and stick around and watch some of my videos and see more and more of my content. I hope that everybody has a blessed rest of your day. Remember to be blessed, be kind, and be safe. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.